What is an exoplanet? An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star that is not our Sun. It's called an exoplanet because it's outside our solar system. In 1992, scientists found the first exoplanet. Since then, more than 5,000 have been discovered. The first exoplanets were found by looking at how stars wobble from the pull of gravity as planets orbit them. Today, one of the most successful ways we find exoplanets is by looking at the light from their star. The light gets dimmer if the planet moves between us and the star. We call this a transit. There are 4 types of exoplanet: gas giants, Neptune-like, super-Earths, rocky planets. Almost a third of exoplanets are gas giants. They are made mostly of gas and are big like Jupiter or Saturn. But some are much hotter because they are closer to their star. Just over a third of exoplanets are Neptune-like. These worlds are similar in size to the ice giants Neptune and Uranus. Just under a third of exoplanets are super-Earths. They are bigger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. They may not be like Earth, and we only call them super-Earths because of their size. Not many, only 4 in every 100 exoplanets are rocky like Earth. A small number of these are the right distance from their star to have liquid water, which is a key ingredient for life. They may have liquid water because they are in the habitable zone, sometimes called the Goldilocks zone. This is the area around a star where it is not too hot and not too cold. Too hot and the water would evaporate, too cold and it would turn to ice. We need to learn more about these rocky planets. We are curious as to whether they have oceans, atmospheres, or life. What is the closest exoplanet? The closest exoplanet to Earth is Proxima Centauri b. It orbits the star Alpha Centauri. When we look at a map of the Milky Way, the 2 planets look close together, but they are about 40 trillion kilometres apart. That distance is hard to imagine. Proxima Centauri b is about the same size as Earth. It's found in the habitable zone of its star, but we need to know more about its atmosphere before we know if humans could survive there. Astronomers have found lots of stars with more than one planet in orbit around them. In 2017, NASA found the TRAPPIST-1 system, which has 7 rocky planets. Some of those are in their star's habitable zone. Can we visit exoplanets? Space is huge. We measure these huge distances using light. This is because light moves very fast. In only 1.3 seconds, light travels 384,400 kilometres. That's the same as the distance between the Moon and the Earth. A light year is how fast light can travel in 1 year. Light travels at almost 10 trillion kilometres in a year. So a light year is a very long distance. And Proxima Centauri b is over 4 light years away. The fastest spacecraft is the Parker Solar Probe, which will travel almost 700,000 kilometres per hour at its fastest. Even if we could travel that fast across space, it would still take us over 82,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri b. While humans can't visit exoplanets, new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope can study these planets and help us learn more about them. Why search for other planets? Exoplanets help us understand how many different types of planet could be in the universe, and how they are made. Finding planets in the habitable zone around other stars might mean we find water on them. Water is a key ingredient for life, so it could be an important clue to finding life there. As we search for other planets, space scientists have collected lots of information about the universe. There is so much information that they have built supercomputers to help them understand it. They have helped scientists understand more about the Earth and to develop new life-saving drugs. We have looked at the stars for thousands of years and wondered what might be out there. Many books, films, and TV shows have been written about space and other planets. This helps to get people interested in science and technology and to share it with the world.